Don't trip on your way to the thumbs up button. This bob is absolutely gorgeous and is completely glueless. And this blonde and pink color scheme that I have going on for the look is giving straight Barbie vibes. I'm in love. But this is lazy girl approved. It requires minimal effort and you still get that luxurious elevated look. This was the perfect slay for my outing for the week as well as my vacation in Virginia. I'm telling you, you are going to be the center of attention. This is the look for the summer. We got to get into it because this is perfect. I think 𝐏𝐵G is literally after my heart. They've definitely stepped up their packaging, so it's more of a luxurious unboxing experience. And I'm here for it. And you get this wig carrying case, which is perfect for on the go. Now this unit straight out of the box, she needs work, but I'm going to tell you, it's minimal effort. When working with the newer unit, I prefer to style it on the canvas blockhead. I just have better control. But can we talk about the dimension, the beautiful blonde highlights, the 200% density, so you're getting a lush, thick, full unit. But when I tell you this requires minimal effort, absolutely very little work to do, no plucking necessary. So I just went in with my hot comb and I used small to medium sections so that I ensure that the unit is super sleek. And of course this unit is pre-plucked, so forget all that tweezing. All you have to do to slick down the hairline is do a little bit of work with the hot comb. I'm telling you, it's just that simple. As soon as I saw this unit, I knew I wanted to style it for my dinner outing. When I tell you, it was perfect. The colors on this are so complimentary to, you know, my Melody the girls. And I'm telling you, when you're wearing your blonde units, wear pink. It just gives something a little different and I'm here for it. It was perfect. I kept this install super basic and I steered clear of glue, and you can still have a flawless install without using glue, especially during the summertime. It's just all about how you use your products to install your unit. And to be clear, I did not tint this lace whatsoever. So you guys see how clean and how bomb this lace looks against my skin. Now I'm going in with the Invincible styling gel and I'm applying it with my makeup spatula. I'll have this linked in the description box. I like to apply about 2 layers, but the important key is to allow the layer to dry down a bit before applying the next one. Listen to me, thinner layers will yield better results. So don't apply globs of product. Thin it down with the makeup spatula. And I'm going in with my second layer, making sure to shear out the Invincible styling gel. And next I'm going in with the hard head spray. This is my favorite spray. And it even held up in that Virginia heat. I was late to a few events. You know, one thing about it, I'm gonna be late. And sometimes I might break into a little bit of a mist, a little bit of a sweat, but this unit is stayed on. But this is a method you guys have seen very often on my channel. But if anyone is watching from Virginia or if you are in the DMV area, what do you do when you are out? I went from Virginia to Maryland to DC. Honey, that's how I like to run, okay? I like to run, okay? I'm gonna be here and then I'm gonna be there and then I'm gonna be everywhere. But I still stay out the way though. Now, the reason I'm more inclined to wear bobs is because, again, I run late a lot. And when it comes to just throwing some hair on and going, the bobs work perfectly. Again, I didn't have to tweeze the hairline. I didn't have to tint the lace. I'm cutting down the number of steps and I'm still getting just as flawless of an install. And then to make matters even better, I don't have to bleach anything. These highlights are gorgeous. The dimension is impeccable. 𝐏𝐵G did their thing. And And I did want to drop a little coupon code for you guys. If you do intend to make a purchase during any of their sales or promotions, you can use the code RPG16. Yes, you can get up to $70 off. I will have it in the description box along with the link and the specifications for this unit. It is a lace frontal. Again, lace frontal units are so much more low maintenance and beginner friendly as opposed to a full lace wig. And especially in terms of price, lace frontal wigs are the way to go. And you can trust, I'm always gonna have a little bit of a jam session. I was heading to dinner, so I had to make sure that, you know, I was grooving, but I was staying on task. And it's just a lot less stressful because I don't have to worry about curling hair using Velcro rollers. And this 12-inch bob is everything. It frames my face beautifully. And if you guys want details on the robe, check the description box. I will have my Amazon storefront listed as well as direct link. You know you got to start dancing because I knew this look was going to be everything, okay? I saw it. I envisioned it. So because I do intend to get into some things this summer, I want to be able to switch up my look. And one thing about bob wigs, it's so easy to co-wash them. It's even easier to install them. And you can curl this unit. You can wear it in its natural curl pattern, which is like a body wave. You can switch it to a side part. You may have to adjust and layer it a bit, but if I could give any advice, you definitely want to wear the elastic band around the hairline so that you melt the lace for about a good 30 to 45 minutes. Trust me, it makes a difference. And when you go to sleep at night, wear your elastic band. When you're in the shower, wear the elastic band. That's how I was able to make this unit last for several days with a glueless install. And as per usual, I didn't do too much with my adult swoops. I kept it fairly simple. And you honestly don't need to do adult swoops. That's how well they pre-plucked this hairline. But see, I already knew the look was coming together, okay? And once you put on your makeup, you wear your freakum dress, whatever outfit. I wore a pleated skirt, so like that tennis skirt kind of vibe. I'll have it linked in the description box. Girl, I'm all about serving looks. I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna make it look sexy each and every time. So make sure you guys check out RPG-𝐏. I'll have the link in the description box. And again, don't forget to use the code RPG16. You can get up to $70 off your purchase. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because honey, I know we slayed, and kick it with me in the comments. Definitely let me know what you guys do when you're in the DMV area because I'm out here. Bye y'all.